Tired of ChatGPT hitting the rate limit or privacy concerns with your prompts? What if you could run your own AI model locally, no internet needed, 100% private, and free? In this tutorial, we'll set up a full-stack local AI server using Ollama plus Open WebUI. By the end of this video, you'll be chatting with your own model like a boss. Imagine you have a spare VPS or cloud instance. Today, we're going to turn it into a fully private AI assistant, no API keys, no restrictions. Go to two Ollama websites and copy command to install it. Copy and paste into command line. Wait until the installation process is complete. Running your own AI model locally comes with some powerful advantages. First, privacy. All your prompts and data stay on your machine. This is a big win if you're handling sensitive documents, code, or business ideas. Second, customization with fine-tuning. You can actually train your model on your own documents, making it a personalized assistant that understands your style, your terminology, even your clients. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The big trade-off, hardware. Large models like LLaMA 2 or Mistral require serious processing power, ideally a GPU with 12 to 24 gigabytes VRM or more. You should have at least 8 gigabytes of RAM available to run the 7B models, 16 gigabytes to run the 13B models, and 32 gigabytes to run the 33B models. So while private AI gives you freedom and control, it also needs more tuning, and can't match the blazing speed and performance of cloud services, unless you invest in some decent hardware. After completing the installation, select a model that aligns with your hardware specifications for optimal performance. Run the model by using command Ollama run model name. It will automatically download and start the model for you. Now that the model is running, you can chat with it directly. The next step is to connect with your model using the Open WebUI interface. When you integrate Open WebUI with Ollama, all prompts, chats, and model responses are handled locally. No cloud calls, no third-party servers. Open WebUI gives you a sleek, ChatGPT-style interface in your browser, but it's powered by your private models, like LLaMA or Mistral running on your machine. Once installed, you can switch between installed models, for example, LLaMA 2, Mistral code Ollama, with a single click. Open WebUI can integrate with retrieval systems, so you can upload your internal knowledge documents, and then ask questions over your own knowledge base. To get started, visit the official Open WebUI website. For this demo, I'll install Open WebUI on the same VPS machine. For this setup, I'm using Docker to install Open WebUI easily and quickly. For detailed guidance on Open WebUI setup, features, and best practices, refer to the official documentation on GitHub. Open WebUI also supports installation via Python 3, offering flexibility for users who prefer a more traditional setup over containerization. Open WebUI provides multiple Docker run command options tailored for different environments. Choose the one that fits your deployment scenario. Since I'm installing Open WebUI on the same machine, I'll use the setup option that's meant for local installations. However, in my case, Open WebUI isn't able to find the AI model that's already running on Ollama apps. It seems WebUI Docker not being able to reach the Ollama server at localhost port 11434. Based on the GitHub documentation, I need to use Docker run with additional flag network equals host. Now copy and paste the Docker run command in the command prompt. Confirm that the Open WebUI container is active and running in your Docker environment. To access Open WebUI, you can go to web browser and type in http://ip+ port 8080. The first time you open WebUI, you'll be asked to create an account by entering your email and a password. After successfully registering, you can access Open WebUI by logging in with your registered email and password. As I've previously registered, I'll proceed to log in using my existing credentials. You can interact with any of the models that have already been installed by selecting them from the list. For this demonstration, I have two models available locally, Gemma 3 and LLaMA 3.2, both ready for use within Open WebUI. Select the model you want to interact with. You can now use your private AI assistant. And that's it. You've just set up your very own private AI assistant using LLaMA and Open WebUI on your private server. Now you're running a fully private AI model, no API keys, no monthly fees, and most importantly, no data leaving your machine. Whether you're using it to brainstorm ideas, write code, summarize articles, or just have fun conversations, this local setup gives you full control over your AI experience. And remember, this is just the beginning. From here, you can connect with your own document or knowledge base for RAG-style Q&A. You can then use your private, personalized model for automation tasks, for example, by integrating it into your N8N workflow. Want even more control? Try running multiple models side by side, create custom personas, or explore smaller or faster quantizations for better performance. I'd love to hear how you're using your local AI. Drop a comment below with your favorite model or what you're building with it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to break free from cloud AI limits. And hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next part where we explore how to chat with your own documents locally using LLaMA plus RAG, or you want to use Open Router AI instead. Drop a comment below and tell me what you want me to explore in the next video. Thanks again for watching, and welcome to the world of private, powerful, local AI. See you in the next one.